Hi guys, hopefully you're having a good day. I just got inside from working outside a little bit. It's awesome out. Hopefully you're getting to do some fun stuff too. So, we're going to start a new chapter and we're going to start talking about shapes. So, some of us kind of talked about this in our math groups already, so it'll be a review for a few, and if not, then some new stuff. So, what we need to start off with is a point. When we get into geometry, you'll see a lot of just a single point. Okay, and we use those to build things. So the first thing we're going to build is a line segment. A line segment is a line between 2 points. So it stops here. Okay? That's line segment. The next thing we have is a line, or is a point, a line, and an arrow. This is called a ray. Okay? Whenever you see this arrow, it goes on forever. So that will continue to go forever and ever and ever out that way. And then the last one we have is an actual line. A line has 2 arrows that go forever in both ways. Okay, so it'll never ever stop. So we use these to build shapes. So one shape we can build So shapes are built with line segments. So for instance, you can have like this. That would be a triangle. Okay. So it has 3 line segments here, here, and here that build it. So they're made up of 3 line segments. And then you can have another one like this, and that's called a square. Okay, square is made with 4 line segments. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so basically you're counting the sides to see how many lines there are in it. Each time you come to a corner, you can imagine a point there to create another line segment. So what these are called closed shapes. Because they don't have any openings in them. Think about if you have like a fence for some animals. They're going to be closed and the animals can't get out. But we also have open shapes, which means they are open. So maybe you have something like that. Okay, it has an opening there where you can get in. Another example you're going to see in your book is some shapes. So like a C, that's open. An E, uppercase E, that's open. So these are open shapes. But then again, you can have other shapes like a D that's closed. Okay. So looking at line segments, start with 2 points on either end. A ray, a point, and an arrow. The arrows show they go on forever. A line has 2 arrows, goes on forever both ways. And then you use those line segments to build closed shapes. But if they're not closed off, if you can get in them, then they become an open shape. Okay. So what you're going to be working on your ThinkCentral today is identifying open and closed, counting the number of line segments in a shape, and then a couple of them are going to ask you to explain how to close off a shape. So for example, if you have a shape like this, in order to close that, you would need to say you need to add a line segment across the top. Okay, that line segment closes it off. And just for more practice, we can count the number of line segments on here. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that would have 8 line segments that make it up. Okay. So when you get done with this, ThinkCentral, it should be really easy. Like I said, this will be a review for a lot of people that worked on it in math groups. You're going to do happy numbers. If for whatever reason your happy numbers that isn't working, I've had a lot of people say that, you can just do Prodigy instead. And like always, if you want to play Prodigy or happy numbers when you're done with everything, have at it. That's completely up to you. I don't care. Okay, have fun with them. Hopefully everybody's having fun. We'll do a Google Meet again on Thursday. We'll probably do that once a week from here on out. Miss you guys. I wish we were going back. I hate that we can't finish the year together. It breaks my heart. So, love you guys. Good luck. Have a good week. Bye.